Hello students, good morning. Let's study today the lesson The Rat Trap of Class 12 textbook written by Selma Lagerlof, presented by SKJN, PGT English, JNB Badwara Katni MP. Let's start. So in this lesson we shall see a vagabond. There lived in Sweden a tramp. He used to sell rat traps made of wire. We may also call him a vagabond, a homeless person. He was very poor. He used to make rat traps from wire that he begged from stores and big farms. He did not earn much money by selling rat traps, so he also did begging and stealing. He did not have a family, children, or wife. He was lonely and often walked on the road. So you can see in this picture a tramp, a homeless person, and this is the beginning of the lesson in the textbook of NCERT class 12th Flamingo. Lesson 4, The Rat Trap, about the author Selma Lagerlof, 1858 to 1940. Selma Lagerlof was a Swedish writer whose stories have been translated into many languages. A universal theme runs through all of them, a belief that the essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. This story is set amidst the mines of Sweden, rich in iron ore, which figure large in the history and legends of that country. The story is told somewhat in the manner of a fairy tale. So students, this is a story in which a homeless person, a tramp, a vagabond is the main character, and he has some evil qualities, bad qualities like stealing and cheating people, but after compassionate treatment and trust by Adla Manson, the nature of this tramp changes and he becomes a good human being. So the beginning of this story is, once upon a time there was a man who went around selling small rat traps of wire. He made them himself at odd moments from the material he got by begging and in the stores or at the big farms. But even so, the business was not especially profitable, so he had to resort to both begging and petty thievery to keep body and soul together. Even so, his clothes were in rags, his cheeks were sunken, and hunger gleamed in his eyes. No one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can appear to such a vagabond who plods along the road, left to his own meditations. But one day this man had fallen into a line of thought which really seemed to him entertaining. He had naturally been thinking of his rat traps when suddenly he was struck by the idea that the whole world about him, the whole world with its land and seas, its cities and blazes, was nothing but a big rat trap. It had never existed for any other purpose than to set baits for people. It offered riches and joys, shelter and food, heat and clothing, exactly as the rat trap offered cheese and pork. And as soon as anyone let himself be tempted to touch the weight, it closed in on him, and then everything came to an end. So this is the lesson in which we will find that there is a tramp, a homeless person, a vagabond. So a tramp, a rat trap seller, was living in a town in Sweden. And what was his business? He used to sell rat traps. चूहेदानी बेचता था वह, जो तारों से बनी होती थी. He used to sell rat traps made of wire, and we may also call him a vagabond. Who is a vagabond? Vagabond means a homeless person. He was very poor and he used to make rat traps from the wire that he begged from stores and big farms. So he also did begging at big farms and stores and asked for wire. He collected some wire and he made the rat trap in his odd moment free time. He made rat traps and sold the rat traps in the streets. He did not earn much money by selling rat traps, so he also did begging and stealing. So apart from making rat traps from buyer and selling the rat traps, he was also doing begging and stealing. He did not have a family, children or wife. He has no family, he has no child, he has no wife. He was lonely and often walked on the road. So walking on the road was most of the time consuming for him. And what happened one day when he was walking on the road, he had an idea. He got an idea about the world. The idea about the world while he was walking on the road and was tired, an idea came in his mind. What idea came in his mind? He thought that the whole world is like a rat trap. As a rat trap offers cheese and pork to rats and they are attracted by the food and get caught, in the same way the whole world with its food and clothing, shelter and riches is nothing but a big rat trap and people are caught in it by attracting to the things. So students, in this story we shall find that this vagabond, this rat trap seller is homeless, no family, living alone, thinking to himself. And what did he do? Stealing, begging, making rat trap and selling the rat traps. तो ये जो कहानी है द रेड ट्रैप की, इसमें जो मेन कैरेक्टर है एक वैगाबॉन्ड है, एक बेघर व्यक्ति है, घुमंतु व्यक्ति है, घूमता रहता है इधर से उधर और क्या करता है, रेड ट्रैप्स बनाता है वायर से, तार से, जो कि वह बड़े बड़े फार्म्स और स्टोर से भीख मांगकर प्राप्त करता है। तो भीख मांगना, रेड ट्रैप बनाकर बेचना और चोरी करना, ये उसकी छोटी मोटी चोरी करता है वह, जिससे कि वह अपना जीवन चला सके। तो इस तरह से वह रेड ट्रैप सेलर सड़क पे टहलता रहता है और मोस्टली उसका टाइम सड़क पर ही बीतता है। एक दिन उसके दिमाग में एक विचार आया घूमते घूमते। तो जब वह सड़क पे चल रहा था और बहुत थक गया था, उसके दिमाग में एक विचार आया। क्या विचार आया कि जो पूरी दुनिया है यह एक चूहेदानी की जैसी है। जैसे कि चूहेदानी में कुछ प्रलोभन, कुछ आकर्षण की चीज़ें रख दी जाती हैं जिसमें चूहा आकर्षित होकर फंस जाता है, जैसे कि चीज़ एंड पोर्क, कुछ खाने की चीज़ें, जैसे कि रोटी का टुकड़ा, ब्रेड का टुकड़ा या कुछ टमाटर या कुछ ऐसी चीज़ जिससे चूहा आकर्षित हो जाए। तो some food item is placed inside the rat trap and the rat is attracted and is caught in the trap of the rat trap and in the same way the people of the world, इस तरह से लोग भी, संसार के लोग भी जो है, संसार एक चूहेदानी की तरह है जिसमें बहुत से ऐसे आकर्षण वाली चीज़ें हैं जैसे कि फूड एंड क्लोथिंग, अच्छा खाना, कपड़े, शेल्टर एंड रिचेज, हीट एंड क्लोथिंग, शेल्टर यानी शरण, अच्छा घर, मकान, रिचेज संपत्तियाँ, सोना चांदी, आभूषण, बैंक बैलेंस। सो दीज थिंग्स अट्रैक्ट द पीपल, ये सब चीज़ें व्यक्ति को आकर्षित करती हैं। और ये पूरी दुनिया जिसमें ये सब आकर्षण की चीज़ें हैं, ये पूरी दुनिया एक रेड ट्रैप के जैसी ही है और लोग उसमें फंस जाते हैं क्योंकि वो चीज़ों के प्रति आकर्षित होते हैं और जैसे ही वो उस प्रलोभन को, आकर्षण को टच करते हैं, उस संसार के जाल में फंस जाते हैं। सो स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ तक हम लोगों ने पढ़ा। हम लोग इसको आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टेक केयर, हैव अ नाइस डे।